giant travel destination with a wide range of beautiful tourist places. To truly experience the breadth of Indian culture and history, travel is a key. One of the best things about India is the diversity of this incredible country where tourists come again and again to visit and explore the heritage of India. Here are the best 5 places in India that you shouldn't miss out to explore. Agra. Agra is one of the absolute cities in India that is situated on the banks of river Yamuna. The bottom right corner of the Golden Triangle is a perfect destination that everyone should go at least once to visit the best sighting attraction like Taj Mahal, Diwan-e-Aam, Jama Masjid, Sikandar Fort, Mehtab Bagh, Moti Masjid, traditional Agra local bazaars. Also, Agra is famous for its spectacular gardens, diverse UNESCO World Heritage Sites, excellent shopping locations, Mughlai feast and delicacies, and the giant mosques in India. Udaipur. There are a couple of reasons to adore Udaipur. If vacationers choose to gog in Udaipur, they take away a little piece of charming city to their respective residents. Udaipur will definitely attract you with its superb past, great structures, energetic markets, and absolute tranquility. Udaipur is most visited destination with famous places like Lake Palace, Jagdish Temple, Saheliyon ki Bauri, Fateh Sagar Lake, Uday Sagar Lake, etc. Varanasi. Varanasi offers a bundle of experience and sights elsewhere on the planet. It is nicknamed the cities of temple. Silk weaving is so famous in Varanasi. There are couples of shops and markets selling silk items like scarves, saris, and other handicrafts. Varanasi is the perfect destination in India where people can experience the best spirituality of India. It's most full of life. Whether you need to capitalize on your time in City of Light. The best spots to visit in Varanasi is Kashi Vishwanath Temple, Asi Ghat, Sankat Mochan Hanuman Temple, Tulsi Mansa Temple, and many more. Ahmedabad. With numerous varieties, Ahmedabad exhibits Indian culture, situated in the core of Gujarat. It is the 7th greatest city in India. Ahmedabad is viewed as one of the fastest developing cities in India. From Zanzari Waterfall to Gir National Park to Nal Sarovar Bird Sanctuary, there are lots of sea sighting destinations nearby which gives glimpse of perfect nature's charm. Kerala. Kerala is renowned for its flavors and hence it's famously known as the Spice Coast of India. The travelers can go for Kerala cuisines, Ayurvedic treatments, houseboating, wildlife tourism, adventure, and plethora of pilgrimage destinations to visit here. If you are seeking for some wonderful sea sighting attraction to visit and explore, just take a glimpse of India tour. If you find this video helpful, then don't forget to subscribe our channel.